Hello and welcome to this machine learning tutorial, and welcome to the third section of this course, Heart Disease Predictions with Support Vector Machines. In this section we will follow pretty much the standard path that we saw in the previous two sections. First we will explore the dataset and identify the problem. After that we are going to talk about support vector machines which we will be using for solving this problem. Then we will do some feature analysis and feature engineering, and finally we will do the implementation using the theory that we checked out in previous videos. Finally we will analyze the result and see how we can maybe get better results changing a few things. So let's start from the first video in this section, exploring the dataset and identifying the problem. In this video we will see what is happening in a heart disease dataset, and then we are going to see what kind of problem are we actually trying to solve. So, heart disease data is collected from three hospital systems, from Cleveland, from Hungary, and from Switzerland. This database contains 76 attributes, but all publisher experiments refer to use a subset of 14 of them. And that is what we are going to do as well. We are going to use just 14 attributes, meaning 14 features. The goal field refers to the presence of the heart disease in the patients. It is an integer value from 0, no presence, to 4. The goal of our solution would be to predict this value based on other 13 features. It is important to notice that names and social security numbers of the patients were removed from the database, placed with dummy values. So, in this concrete example we will use classification approach, so we will have to classify do we have a heart disease or we don't. As we mentioned previously, there are 14 features, 13 of them are independent variables which will be the inputs of our model, and we will have one prediction output. The dataset is containing from three files. First one is called Cleveland CSV file, then we have Hungary CSV file, and finally we are having a Switzerland CSV file. We will combine those three files into one big dataset, and we will see in the next video how we are going to do that. And here is an example of how our dataset is looking like. Basically we are having 13 features varying from the age to the cholesterol levels and pressure, and finally we are having a num, which is our final column, and it is having values from 0 to 4.